Hey guys, Prithviraj here. Hope you guys are doing great. So in front of me we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Not the big brother, the Note 10 Plus, but instead the smaller one, which is the Note 10. So how about we unbox this, take a closer look to see what's inside. And you're watching The Adventures of Vesper. Let's begin. So let's jump into the unboxing, but before that let's take a quick tour around the box. On the front we have a e-warranty Samsung sticker that's usually something that you'll find in every single Southeast Asian unit. And next up you'll find the Samsung Galaxy Note 10, the S Pen logo on the front. So how to find out what color you're purchasing, basically this is how you find out. So we have the Aura Pink right here, which is my personal favorite color this year because sadly Malaysia does not get more colors. There's only 3 options for the Note 10. You have the Aura Black, the Aura White and the Aura Pink. And Aura Pink is without a doubt one looker because the color is gorgeous. So it's the Note 10. A pretty minimalistic design. And on the side, one side you'll actually see the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 again. And on the other side basically you have the IMEI number and the sticker, which I'm not going to show you guys. And as for the back, you will have the specifications. So let's unbox this thing, and I'm sure by now everybody know what exactly the specification is. The Samsung Galaxy Note 10, which you were going to purchase in Malaysia, will only come with a 256 gig internal storage, which is pretty huge to be honest. And you don't need an extra storage because this thing does not have an SD card slot, something you have to keep it in your mind. With that said, let's unbox this thing. It's pretty straightforward as you lift the box. Whoops. Yeah, so this is the packaging itself. So under the box you'll find your first packaging. So you have the SIM pin right here, and also if you open this one right here, you'll also find a transparent case with an extra IMEI number sticker and a bunch of user manual. So this is the IMEI number sticker. We have the user manual, which is right here, and a pretty decent case, as you can see here. So this is a transparent silicone case that's going to come with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or even the Note 10 Plus, whichever you're going to purchase. So you have the case right here. And the first thing that we have after that is obviously the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 in the Aura Pink, which is one of my personal favorite color, and in fact this color is very appealing. Let's get to the phone in a bit, so we're going to keep the phone aside. And removing this flap will give you the access to a bunch of other accessories. So the first thing is the infamous power brick, which is the super fast charging power brick. And one of the interesting things that you'll have to notice with this one is actually the fact that it comes with a Type-C port. So get this guys, if you were to get an extra cable for your Samsung Galaxy Note 10, make sure to pick up a USB Type-C cable if you want more cable, and especially if you want to use this adapter, because one cable is never enough. Moving on, you have a little box right here. So, but as you all know, there was this huge fiasco basically where the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus does not include any adapters and stuff, which is true because this is the Southeast Asian unit. So inside here you will find the S Pen extra tips and also the clip to remove the tips. So basically that's it. Let's keep this aside. And following that, you have a cable. So over here you have the C to C cable, I suppose. Yes, that's right. So this is a USB type C to C cable inside the box that goes along with the charger. And finally, you have a AKG USB type C headphone this time around, because the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 does not come with a headphone jack. And also you have extra tips as well. So to show you guys, this is the USB type C headphone. So let's take a closer look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So on the front you have the front-facing camera smack right in the middle up top, and it has a display that covers from the top to the bottom, almost edge to edge, with a really tiny chin at the bottom and really tiny, very thin forehead at the top. So on the top you have the SIM tray, and on this side, which is where Samsung has a power placement, so this is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 covered in dbrand skin. The Note 8 and the Note 9 are aesthetically the same. So on this side is where you usually find the power button, but the Note 10 no longer has a power button on this side, which is squeaky clean. And on the other side where the volume rocker is present, on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 as well is where the power button is located as well, which is really nice. Next up is that we have, at the bottom we have the S Pen, which is right here. Has a really interesting design, and because it's much more sleek than the previous generation, which we will look into in a bit. So that's the S Pen, and we have a speaker grill right here and the USB Type-C port, both for charging and also for your music listening experience, as this phone does not have a headphone jack. Something that you guys need to take note of. And that's basically it. That's the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 unboxing, guys. If you want to know more on the specification, on how exactly, which are the variants available in Malaysia, and so many information, you can actually find that link down in the description below, because we did a closer look article, and we also did a launch article where we mentioned what are the variants available for the Malaysian market. And that's basically it. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 unboxing here at the Adventures of Vesper. If you like this, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like this, give us a thumbs down. Tell us why you didn't like it so that we could definitely improve in our next video. Until then, stay tuned because we have so many interesting content coming up real soon. This is Prithviraj signing off. Take care, and I'll see you guys real soon.